How to play Repo with more than 6 people. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, you will find out if it's possible to play Repo with more than 6 players. If you ever try to invite more friends and hit that limit, you're not alone. Let's clear up the facts once and for all. Section 1. The official limit. The short answer is no. It is not possible to play with more than 6 people in the original version of Repo. The developers set a hard limit of 6 players per lobby, and there is no built-in setting or menu option to increase that. Even in private matches or custom games, the max is still 6. This is a fixed restriction coded into the game. Section 2. What about mods? Now, if you've seen screenshots or videos with larger teams, those are using unofficial mods that modify the game files. There is a mod called More Players that allow this, but keep in mind, it's not supported by the developers, and using it can cause bugs, crashes, or server issues. Also, modding multiplayer games can go against the terms of service, so proceed at your own risk. Section 3. Why the limit exists. The 6-player cap isn't random. It's there to keep the game stable and balanced. Repo is designed around tight coordination and small squad missions. Adding more players breaks that structure and can overload the servers, causing performance issues, especially in online co-op. Section 4. Final word. So again, officially you cannot play with more than 6 people in Repo. The only way around this is through the mods, which are unofficial and carry risks. If you're okay with that, you can explore them. Just be smart about it and respect the developer's intent. And that's it. Now you know the real answer to one of the most asked questions in the Repo community. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share with your squad, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.